Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about sound energy. Sound energy is produced when an object vibrates. It can be characterized by speed, frequency, and loudness. Frequency is the pitch of the sound or the distance of each wave from one another. The shorter the distance, the higher the pitch. The loudness or volume of the sound is the size of the wave of the sound. The speed of sound depends on the medium where the sound is being transferred. These are the examples of sound energy from humans. Even animals produce sound energy. Echolocation is what some animals use to locate objects using sound rather than sight, like bats and dolphins. Bats use this system because, of course, they can't see well and it's very dark during the night, while dolphins use it to locate things through the murky water. The weather can also produce sound energy like thunder, raindrops falling on my head, hailstorms on the roof, the wind blowing, and many more. Let's find out how sound travels. You will need 2 plastic cups or paper with a hole on the bottom and a very long piece of yarn. First, we are gonna put the yarn in the hole on the bottom. Then you have to make a knot. Also do it on the other cup. The key is to make the string tight between the 2 cups. Let's try if it's working. I will give this one to my mom and I will speak in the other one. Are you there? Can you hear it?
Yeah.
It's my mom's turn to talk and I will listen. She said hello. The vibrations travel through the string. When I talk, she can hear it, and when she talks, I can hear it. This experiment works. So what are the uses of sound energy? In music industries, we use instruments and amplifiers like this guitar. It makes vibrations and produces sound energy. It can also be used for healing our body through meditation and yoga. It can reduce stress by calming and relaxing our body. Sound energy is also used in medical fields when doing ultrasound treatment. The most common uses of sound energy are in cell phones or telephones, motion pictures, and in hearing aids. Avoid using headphones at full volume to prevent ear damage. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. Did you find this interesting? Comment down below. Bye! Bakit loka-loka ako?